Mysteries in the kitchen, the story of oil turning into the enemy. Cooking oil. This golden yellow liquid is one of the heroes in our kitchen. It is he who transforms the wet dough into crispy fried tempeh, who makes the crackers bloom perfectly, and who gives the chicken skin a delicious brown color. But have you ever noticed what happens to the oil after its work is done? When its color begins to change, from golden to brownish, or even blackish. With the help of a microscope, we can see the details of what is in used cooking oil. So much residue or remnants of previous frying. This is where our story begins. What really happened to the oil? Why do we hear so many warnings against using it repeatedly? Is this just a myth, or are there real dangers lurking behind this frugal habit? Join us on our investigative journey. Imagine the new cooking oil like a well-organized army, each fat molecule ready to work, conducting heat perfectly. But the moment they first enter the battlefield, aka the hot frying pan, small changes begin. Intense heat begins to injure some of the molecules, causing them to slightly deform. After the first battle, for example, frying oil fish, the fish is exhausted. It carries with it memories of the battlefield, remnants of flour, crumbs, and food particles. When filtered and stored, it may still look fairly clear. Then the big question arises. Can it be reused? They say it's a waste. There's still plenty. This is the first critical point. Look at this. It's really extraordinary. These are air bubbles mixed with cooking oil bound to each other. There are connecting lines between the bubbles. There's a circle in each air bubble, and there are lines in each bubble. That is the reason why the air bubbles are always close together and cannot be separated from each other. And the oil is heated a second time. The temperature rises, and for these already injured fat molecules, this is further torture. They now not only change shape, but also begin to react with the oxygen in the air. This is called oxidation. They become free radicals, unstable molecules that seek partners by destructive means. Look at the colors in the video in the first minute. From golden yellow to dark brown. It's not just about color. A polymerization process is taking place. The broken molecules stick together to form long, dark, viscous chains, like liquid plastic. Smell it. It's not fragrant anymore, is it? It's starting to smell rancid. These are the visual and aromatic signs of a chemical disaster. Behind the changes in color and odor, there are unseen and very dangerous enemies. First, trans fatty acids. Fresh oils are virtually non-existent. However, due to repeated extreme heating, they are formed. This enemy is the main culprit behind our blood vessel blockages. It raises bad cholesterol and lowers good cholesterol, paving the way for heart attacks and strokes. Then there's acrolein, the compound that makes your eyes sting and your throat itch when you fry. These are powerful irritants, and most frighteningly, they contain carcinogenic compounds like aldehydes and PAHs. The word carcinogenic means cancer-causing. Study after study shows that long-term consumption of this compound increases the risk of cell damage and cancer. Think again. When we fry tofu or tempeh in that blackened oil, we're not just heating the food. We're soaking it in a cocktail of harmful compounds that then stick to it and we eat. So, what about the food's nutrition? Unfortunately, instead of preserving it, frying with damaged oil actually makes things worse. The vitamins in food are sensitive. Such as vitamins A and E, are also destroyed by free radical attacks and heat from this sick oil. Instead of getting nutrition, we get a double loss. The nutrients in the food are reduced, plus the toxins from the oil increase. So what's the solution? Should we just throw it away? Not down the drain. That would pollute the environment. Let's stop viewing it as cooking oil and start viewing it as a recycled material. Store it in a closed bottle after filtering. Collect it, then give it to a waste bank or collector who can turn it into biodiesel or soap. This is a second saving grace, saving our health and the environment. So, the conclusion to our mystery today is clear. Used cooking oil used more than 2 to 3 times is no longer a friend, but a hidden enemy. Limit its use. Recognize the signs of spoilage, dark color, rancid odor, most importantly, smoking. Listen to science, not just convention. Oil is cheap, but medical costs are much more expensive. Our health is our greatest investment. What do you think? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more everyday science mysteries we'll be covering. See you in the next video.